In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instantly connect Microsoft OneDrive to N8N 5 minutes. First, sign into your N8N account and head to the Workflows area. We'll start with a clean canvas so everything is easy to follow. Click Create Workflow to open a new empty workflow. On the canvas, use the plus icon to add your first node. In the search bar that appears, type OneDrive and select Microsoft OneDrive from the list. If you don't see it right away, keep typing until it appears. The node creator lets you search by app name or keyword. Because we want N8N to react the moment something lands in your cloud storage, choose the On File Created option. This sets the node to act as a trigger, so the workflow starts whenever a new file shows up in the location you specify. Triggers like this are ideal for hands-free automation and avoid manual polling. Next, connect your account. In the Credentials or Connect section, choose to add a new credential and sign in with your Microsoft account. A window will prompt you to review permissions, approve the requested scopes so N8N can read events from your drive. If your organization manages permissions, you may need an admin to grant consent. Do that once, and the credential becomes reusable. After approval, you'll return to N8N with the credential selected. Tip: give your credential a clear name so you can recognize it later, especially if you work across multiple environments. Now configure what the trigger should listen to. In the trigger or operation settings, confirm file created and pick where to watch, your personal drive or a specific folder. If you have multiple drives or shared libraries, make sure you select the exact one you plan to monitor. Choosing a narrower folder speeds things up and reduces noise from unrelated files. If available, decide whether to include subfolders and any filters you want to apply, such as limiting by file type. When the configuration looks right, click Fetch Test Event. N8N will wait for a live example so you can verify the connection. If you don't immediately see data, drop a small test file into the target OneDrive folder and give it a moment to register. You should see details like the file name, path, and timestamps appear in the node's output. If the event doesn't arrive, double-check the selected folder, your credential, and any organization consent settings, then try fetching again. That's it. Your Microsoft OneDrive trigger is connected in N8N and ready to power automations the moment new files appear. From here, you can build on this foundation by adding downstream nodes to process, move, or notify based on the incoming file.